CuffWay began as a research project back in high school. It was in my junior year of high school. But it's just a project initially meant to sort of improve the safety of intubation, just a really small initial prototype. While in high school, I went to medical conferences as part of different clubs. I was also doing my EMT course, trying to become an EMT. And so I really got some initial exposure to intubation and got to learn really how big of a problem this is. Millions of people are intubated each year. If this many people face some sort of injury, it really struck me as a problem. So intubation in general is just the placement of an endotracheal tube down the person's throat to open the airway. This can be used during any anesthesia, loss of consciousness, any cardiac arrest, any procedures or surgeries, and EMS use as well in the OR and ICU in hospitals. The goal is just to really open the airway, but a lot of times these can cause many injuries. That's what we're really trying to tackle here. So a CuffWay is a standalone reusable device that attaches next to the bedside or ventilator of a patient. And then we have two disposable tubes that run from CuffWay to existing endotracheal tubes. And so what we do is we automatically regulate and manage use pressures throughout these endotracheal tubes to really improve the safety of intubation. I think innovation is really important in the field of medicine especially. There's a ton of different patients. Each of them are very, very unique. They have different backgrounds, different history, different problems, different anatomy, different physiology. And so it's really important to build technology that really adapts to each one of these people's needs. In medicine, it's always changing. And so that's really our goal with CuffWay, to really be able to adapt to each person's individualized trachea to just reduce injuries for all patients, not just a smaller population.